Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing really well. Welcome back to our channel CMA Tutor. With me today is Revant, and Revant is a CMA student, as well as he has recently completed his business analytics course with me. And today we are going to run through in making his profile on various job portals. In fact, I have got this query from many students that, sir, can you make us a video explaining that how can we search jobs even before qualifying as a CMA, or if we have some certain skills, what is the best way in making a profile? So what I thought is, let's just make a video and also go through some required jobs which are there, some job requirements, and make a profile according to it. So this is how you can start up with your job search, making your profile, customizing your profile, or the best word to say is optimizing your profile to the job which you are looking out for. So are you excited, Revant?
Yes, I'm excited.
All right, so let's get started here. So let me just share my screen and we start with this. So the first thing what we need to do when we are going for our job search is go ahead by searching for different job portals, that what are the job requirements. Searching what? The job requirements. Like we've done some of our research and we have come up with this. This is a job requirement for a business analyst. So get this straight, guys. As a CMA, being a business analyst, you are automatically a business analyst. As a CMA, you are a business consultant, you are a business analyst. These are the roles which are best for you as a certified management accountant US. Now, is that all? You already learned technology analytics in your syllabus, but you also need to learn the tools which are there available, the practical tools, and Power BI is one of the best tool in it. In fact, if you're doing the CMA, Power BI is a must-do tool for you guys, and I'm also conducting a workshop, and there are many sessions going on for Power BI which I keep doing. So let us see business analyst. What are the job requirements first? We are not building a resume at first. We are looking through the job requirements. What are they looking out for? See, he's asking us that responsible for data extraction, collating and cleaning in MS Excel Access, responsible for making pricing data in ERP up to date, responsible for carrying out ad hoc pricing analyst request. Pricing analyst request is something related to the pricing chapter which is there in the CMA. Then carrying out various statistical pricing analysis. So statistical pricing analysis is more towards what if this price is this or that. You can apply those analysis in Excel or Power BI, it depends. Expected to support client on data system and analysis, statistical tool to sanitize, segment, normalize historical price, basically cleaning up the data. And then there is fresher from a good institute or university, good relevant experience in data analytics domain, master's degree in research, math, economics related and analytical discipline. So we fit in for that. And curiosity is a must. If you just see here, they start with Excel, and if you guys know that Excel is the most basic tool which everyone should know, and under visualization it improves further towards Power BI, as you know about it. So knowledge of R, Python, Tableau, Power BI is good to have. So these all tools are going to be used in the same manner. In fact, these tools we have already trained Revant on. I hope you are confident in these tools now. So now, okay, it's in Hyderabad, ongoing bachelor's degree equivalent. It suits you. So if you just see here, the keywords here is like can do, mindset, analytical and presentation tools. These are the key tools which you need to be putting into your resume to get this going with this particular job. Okay, now let's just go towards some more jobs which we have searched about in here, like this Power BI. Now also understand this, guys. Power BI is a tool. Okay, Power BI is a tool. Majorly you should be searching for jobs related to business analyst, business analyticals. These are the tools which you need. These are the job profiles which you need to get into. There you can use any tool. You can use Python, R, Tableau, SQL. You can use Power BI, the major stuff. Power BI is one of the most strongest one. In fact, it is the first thing which you need to get started with. Okay, so these all are the job descriptions. And also get this straight, okay, these jobs do not require high-end coding. It does not require high-end coding. If you are doing the CMA and thinking, sir, should I learn all those full stack codes and stuff, you don't need to do that. It's not required also. Do not do it. What you need to do is be a much better analyst in terms of business decision making. So you will have a raw set of data and you can make actionable insights with the use of those raw data from there. So these are the jobs which are basically available in here, like Power BI jobs in here. Now this is requiring experience, not this. We are looking out for some fresher jobs. Yeah, here there's Power BI desktop, skills in Power BI desktop, Power BI builder, dash matching, data modeling. These all are done in Power BI. We have done it. Requirement analysis, architecture setup. Yeah, this one is a good one. It's an entry level only. It's a contract based. It's a good job to get started with, and it's just 2 weeks. 2 weeks is also a good amount of time. And then, see, these are some job requirements. Further, if you just see, there are some interpersonal skills also required. So we just asked ChatGPT that what are the interpersonal skills required. So interpersonal skills, they came up with, you should be good in communication, active listening, empathy, problem solving, negotiating, influencing. Basically, this is there in our veins. We already do it on a regular basis as CMAs. So now further, what you need to do is build up a profile on LinkedIn. So if you guys have not yet connected with me on LinkedIn, this is my LinkedIn profile. You can go ahead, search down on the internet, Nasir Hazanfar, you will be able to find it. And there are various posts which I do related to business analyst, related to the CMA, and many more stuff as such. You can get connected with me there. There are many students which I have trained on Power BI. So now let's get going with developing a LinkedIn profile for Revant. And this is Revant's LinkedIn profile. So what are the things which you need to look out for? What are the things which you need to look out for while building your LinkedIn profile? If you just see, we went through the job terms. We went through the job terminology, job description just now in the jobs which were presented. So what we can do here is go towards this profile, and if you just see, this is kind of a beginner level profile. Hopefully that if you are also just getting started and making a profile on LinkedIn, you would be also having something same in here. So Revant,
Yes.
are you having any work experience?
Not yet.
No work experience. With no work experience, how are you going to apply for a job?
I think it's a bit difficult, but when I've learned Power BI, so it's not a big task. So
Yes. So see, you are with no experience. That is fine.
yeah.
You know that you are not with no experience, but you should not highlight that.
Okay.
Okay, you should not highlight that I am a fresher.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, someone else is saying you a fresher. That's fine, but you yourself value yourself.
Okay.
First, you should value yourself that I know so and so tools. I know so and so things right now. No doubt in the implementation, I am a bit new to it, but I am ready for it. You know what would be the employers looking out for when they are hiring freshers? Any idea?
No, sir.
They are looking out for the hungerness.
Mm-hmm.
Like, are they hungry for work?
Okay.
Are they having the appetite to work? Are they having the appetite to, go ahead, achieve this task? Because they want to prove themselves. So they look out for, is that guy ready to do it all? Is that guy ready to give it all for the organization? Now when I say ready to give it all, it is with limitations only. Okay. Now, here are few things which you need to look into.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you just see here, a profile photo is a must. Then just this degree college, Avinash Degree College, you can put down, locate the official page of Avinash Degree College and
Mm-hmm.
add on to it.
Okay.
Then these connections are very less which you need to add on. You need to get, as this is a new profile, that's fine, that's understandable. But where do you currently work? You do not currently work. Which industry do you work in? no industry you're working. You add a profile photo, and here comes your skills to showcase. Here you need to add on skills. Now, how many skills you can add on? You guys can add on 50 skills.
Okay.
There's no questions asked.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need to prove that where you did this, where you learned it.
Okay.
You don't need to prove it. You can add on 50 skill set. And let us just add on those skill set which you have done in this workshop. Can you just add it? Power BI. Okay, Microsoft Power BI is there. Then next, add a skill again. Another skill, Tableau. So like that you can add on more skill set to you. You can go ahead with problem solving, Excel, communication, what all you are skilled up in, you can add that up. And also if you just see here, besides skill set, they'll also say take skill quiz.
Okay.
Like suppose you've entered Power BI and Tableau, right? You can take a skill quiz and then say that, okay, they'll come up with their own questions over there, and you will be able to put in that, okay, LinkedIn will say that this person is a certified guy with this
Okay.
skill test and he has done good in it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then a profile photo is always good enough. Then write a summary to highlight your personality or work experience, and that's something which is highly required for you. Okay, so this is something which you wrote earlier, right? To succeed in an environment of growth and excellence which provides me job satisfaction, self-development, help me achieve. So for this stuff, even for you guys, you would be thinking, sir, what can be my written summary or something about me? The best thing is, where's that? Yeah, here it is, ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to write down a customized summary for your LinkedIn profile. And when ChatGPT writes down, now for that you need to write down your name. You just say like, hi, I'm Revant. Please make a summary for my LinkedIn profile. I'm targeting for a job role as a business analyst and specifically Power BI as a tool to be used. So now here would be experience and result-driven business data analyst. Okay, so he is coming up with solid experience and that stuff, but you are a fresher, right? So what you can do in here, that's one prompt which you should have added up there, which I should have added up there. So I am a fresher. As a motivated aspiring, I am eager to launch my career in the field to contribute. So this makes a lot of sense. Well, I may be a fresher, but I am highly enthusiastic about leveraging Power BI. This makes a lot of sense. I hope you guys are getting it.
Yes.
So this summary will be best for you. And what you can do is directly copy and paste it. But while doing it, we'll also just proofread it. Okay, we'll just proofread it and see that whether this is right for you or not. As a motivated and aspiring business, I am eager to launch my career in the field and contribute to organized sector with a strong foundation in business. And fine. Throughout my career, I have gained solid understanding of business and methodologies, requirement gathering techniques. Yes, we have done that in our batch.
Yes.
While I may be a fresher, I am highly enthusiastic about leveraging Power BI to extract meaningful insights from data. Moreover, I possess excellent communication and interpersonal skills. Now, excellent communication skills and interpersonal skills, this is something made up, but you have to Okay, guys,
Good person.
maybe you possess good communication skills later on, but put it down, but practice. Okay, practice. Don't just put it there. थोड़ा बहुत चलता है लेकिन उतना भी ज़्यादा नहीं. But this is something which you have done, right, Revant?
Yes.
Okay.
Fake
Now,
it till you make it.
fake it till you make it. But fake it till you make it should be relatable also. और क्या है? फोटो तो अभी हम लेकर अपलोड कर देंगे थोड़ी देर में. And yeah, you need to connect with a lot of people.
Okay.
Okay, show recruiters you are open to work. Get started with it. That yes, you are open for an on-site hybrid Hyderabad Telangana full-time contract internship. Flexible now immediately. I'm actually looking, and this you want it to be visible only to the recruiters, not to all members. Only to the recruiters. That should be good. And yeah, you're looking out for a role as a business analyst. Also, remember this. Select at least be selected, right? Oh, the spelling of business analyst.
It's still not.
Okay, that's so small, right? So this is your role. You be specific that you're targeting for that only. Okay, recruiters only, save. You can even turn on those job notifications, but for now, no thanks. And your name also should be in a more proper manner. And see, I am doing this for you, but this is something which you need to keep on updating by yourself. Okay.
Okay.
Now here comes headline and that stuff. He, him. This is a headline. Now, who's going to help you with the headline? Again, ChatGPT. Also a headline. Now, see this. Why they are doing this? How is he able to give us a headline? Because of our previous chat.
Right.
Okay, otherwise just also a headline he will not be able to. Aspiring business analyst, Power BI enthusiast, data driven insights for organizational success. Nice, good one. See, whatever you're putting it here, it should match with you also, and this matches with you, that's why I'm entering it here.
Right.
And is there anything else to be done? Yeah, save enough. Okay, so this requires, right? But you are not working. So for now,
Can we type the student name?
let's see. No, it's not there. So for now, I'm just putting down education. Okay. Looks a bit fine. Your headline looks good. The recruiters will be able to find out easily. Then your education you should add on. Your skills you should add on. And then comes one more thing, that is certification.
Okay.
Now certification is not available on the profile then and there. You have to go here, add a profile section. There you can see, okay, just move it here. There is core, recommended, additional. Go towards recommended. You can add licenses and certifications. Now here you just completed which license and certification. Now you've just completed Power BI. Later on when you are going to give the exam for Power BI on the Microsoft website, once you give that exam and you are certified, you can add that license here.
Okay.
License and certificate, and you can just give it within a week. Okay, if you guys also want to know about the Power BI examination, you can reach out to me for that. Or that's how you keep on adding certifications.
Okay.
And then if there is any projects which you have done, add it here. And your education, your position, career break, etc. You can add it here. Any publications, volunteer experience, your patents, add test scores, languages which you know. try to add as much as possible. Okay, as much as possible, try to add it on there. The more you add on, the much better it is for you. And also, when you add this on, right, then there are high chances that people will reach out to you. Okay, organizations will reach out to you with job opportunities, or they look out for, oh, this guy looks good enough. You should also apply, but they will also reach out to you. And when you come up for the interview, you should be a bit more extroverted, talking about your skill set. Like, see, can you talk about yourself on this? Just put it a bit louder in this. I'm not going to put this. Come on, yaar. You have to say about yourself.
Like what I've done in the workshop, or what I've
Not you've done in the workshop. Talk about. Suppose there is someone interviewing you, and they come up with the same, stereotype question that
Tell me what.
why should we hire you?
Okay.
You should be a bit louder. Why should we hire you? Look into the camera and say.
Okay. I think I'm most eligible for the job because I've learned many most demand skills which can actually value your organization. I can create visually appealing dashboards and make a very appealing presentations which can actually help the organization to make better decisions, and also I could assist in problem solving too with the help of these tools which I've learned. So that would be create a value to the company. That's what I feel.
Fine. So now this is fine to get started with, but there should be a bit more practice, a bit more talking about that.
Yeah.
Not only why you need this job, you should be a bit more sophisticated, saying that I can do organizational analysis and understand where are the pain points in an organization.
Okay.
And once I find out those pain points in the organization or places to improve in the organization, I can come up with really good suggestions for it, that how we can solve it.
Okay.
So these are the keywords which they are looking out for.
Okay.
Okay, they want curious people. You should be showing them how curious you are. You should not say that I'm curious.
Okay.
Okay, if the job requirement is we need curious people, learning people, you should not say that I'm curious, I'm learning, I want to learn. You should show them that. Okay, I got to know about Power BI. I was curious about it, and I went on and I learned it. And when I learned it, I was really amazed. I got a lot of insights, and then I'm using it on my daily transactions also. That how I am spending, I'm getting to know my spending habits, and I was really amazed that I was spending on this particular thing much. So I made a decision to stop on it. So in that way, Power BI helped me in this small things. So like how they want to hear these stuff.
Okay.
Okay, and you also should say that I did not stop learning at completing of my graduation. I wanted to learn further. That's why I went on to take the CMA. That's why I went on to do the course of business analytics. So this shows your commitment to the organization. Okay, this guy is not just saying, he has already done it also. And at this age, if he has done it, then furthermore, he will be an asset for us.
Right.
So those are the stuff which you need to look into and work on it.
Okay.
So I hope that this particular short video, I guess around 20-25 minutes or maybe 30 minutes, I don't know how much time it took. I hope that this is helpful for you guys who are watching it, and I hope this is helpful for you, because who are watching this video are going to connect with me on LinkedIn, and also they are going to search for your profile.
Definitely.
And if suppose there is no photo there, right, they are going to put it in the comments. Still you have not uploaded a photo there. Still you have not updated your profile. So try updating it.
Sure.
And your profile photo is to be updated. And once these all stuff, everything is ready, then you can go towards the job sections and then go for easy apply or things like these. Like these stuff are going on, right? Actively recruiting business analysts. Then you can go and apply there. Okay. Not until then. Keep your profile completely ready, and once your profile is ready, try sending them profiles only rather than resumes. Okay. With your profile, you should also be posting, sharing stuff which is relevant to your content. writing about something, but that should be relevant to the content,
Okay.
not just randomly. I hope that we have covered almost major stuff here. I hope you guys have got insights out of this. If suppose you found it helpful, then like this video, share it with someone whom you find it would be helpful, and let's get going. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And also at the end, let me promote myself here. If you are looking out for the Power BI tool and you want to learn it, then I'm conducting a workshop on the 23rd of July in Hyderabad, full day. Come join me. And if you want me to build your profile, then you have to join into the regular business analytics batch. So thank you very much. I'll see you in the next session.